What's up, kids? Owen Nick. I'm back in Minnesota. It's actually a beautiful day here. It's going to be 58 degrees today, and all the snow's melting, which is a good thing. I am offering parts. If anyone needs any parts, motorcycle parts. So if you're looking for anything special, just let me know, because I got a lot of friggin' parts, man. And I mean a tonnage of parts. Plastics, a lot of plastics. Got trucks full of plastics. Old parts, CZ. A lot of CZs. There's about 10 of these CZs around here. You know, anybody looking for CZ parts? Sears, Riversides, Benelli's. Like, there's even a Jawa over here. It might have been. Oh, it's still there. There's a Jawa twin. If it was not as rough, I would build that bike. Make a cool cafe race, street race out of it. But this is just the beginning. Yeah, trucks of blinkers. All the blinkers you can want. Blinkers and more blinkers. Brake levers. Foot pegs. Foot peg brackets. More brake pedals. Got a lot of Gold Wings too. You might need any Gold Wing parts. Seats. Probably have every seat for every bike ever made. Production, of course. American. Sold in America. Not American bikes, but sold in America. I've even found a Benelli Safe seat here. That's just a little bit of seats. There's trucks loads of seats. Taillights. Every taillight. Sport bikes, cruisers. You gotta get the parts now, because what happens is when summer comes, weeds come. And the weeds take over. Old wacky, weird dirt bike. I know what that is, and I can't think of it. What's it called? Come on, you guys. Tell me what this bike's called. I know the name of it, but I can't remember it. So in all these, more seats. A lot of seats, man. If you need seat foam or a good pan, it's here. Tanks. Endless. Endless carburetors. Got crates and crates and crates of carburetors. Like all the carburetors you could imagine, they're here. Oh, I'm so glad this ice and snow is starting to melt. It makes life so much better. Wheels, wheels, wheels. And there's some good wheels. I've even found some Baranis in here. Oh, it's muddy, muddy, muddy though. It happens when the snow melts, mud comes. But yeah, lots of parts. I mean, there's a lot of parts here. Most likely, if you have a modern, you know, after 1978 motorcycle, we got the part. A lot of wheels, man. It used to be a mountain of wheels here. It's huge. A lot of them got scrapped, unfortunately. Now I wish they were still here. But yeah, all the stuff there's 9 acres outside, and probably a couple acres inside and underneath these lean tubes. But see if I'm going, can get out over here. Some of these paths lead nowhere. And I think I might have just taken one. It's gonna make me stuck. There's a lot of stuff here. Old Suzuki single cylinder. And I gotta climb over stuff because someone blocked the path. Someone was probably Denny. Look at that nice, oh, no, that's a roach tank. Brought it out. So you have to put that underneath this lean tube. Because under here, everything stays out of the weather. A lot of cylinders. So if you need a cylinder for an old bike, it's probably here, man. Because people don't, like, no one's probably been at the bottom of that crate for a long, long, long time. This place has been here over 50 years. So, who knows what's at the bottom there. See anything you need. You see anything you need. Or you got any requests. But I would need a picture of it because I can't identify everything. I'm pretty good, but I can't identify everything. I know, like, every bike I ever had, I know. With all these heat exchangers, exhaust exchange, just endless stuff here, man. Just boxes and boxes. I mean, you gotta spend the day and dig to the bottom of these crates. What's up over here? Oh, there's a crate back there. Like, when was the last time someone was back here? Like, really? I'm climbing over this pile. So I want to see what's in these crates back here. Because no one's been back here. You can see the layer of dust, but no one's touched this stuff in years. Let's see what this taillight is. Suzuki taillight. It's in nice shape, no rust, just dirt, a lot of dust. Motors, God, it's endless. I'm gonna have to, hopefully, everything I'm standing on is solid, because I don't want to get hurt. Look at that whole crate of Enduro pipes. You know someone needs one of those pipes right there. Enduro pipes always get mulched in the dirt. There's a whole bunch of them in there. Well, there's way more than that on the other side of the yard. There's a whole fence, like a mile of pipes. I think you've seen that in one of my other videos. Well, I'm going to try to get off one of these crates before I fall. There's not much to hold on to. Luckily, I'm a good balancer. Oops. If I fell out here, no one would be here to save me. I'd be just dead, knocked out, brain bleed, and die. Because I'm the only one here. Technically, it's not open to the public right now in winter. Snowmobile engine. Alright, well, I'll keep looking. If I find something cool, I'll take another video. But yeah, it's endless here. Just an endless sea of parts. I mean, look at all those drag pipes. Look like Honda 750 maybe. Alright, see you guys. Have a good day.